It's 2025 and now troll face videos are very trending on YouTube, but most people don't know how to grow a troll face YouTube channel. But don't worry, in this video, I will tell you how to grow a troll face YouTube channel. I will say 4 major points. If you don't see points 3 and 4 of these, you won't be able to grow your YouTube channel. I found a YouTube channel. This channel makes troll face videos. The channel name is Coldest Talk. This channel makes videos in many categories like car troll face videos, gym boy troll face videos, and many more. So it does not lack any content. So if you create a troll face YouTube channel, then the first point is to make videos in many categories. The second point is to use trendjacking. Trendjacking means creating videos on trending things. If you use trendjacking, then your video may have a bit more views. This channel uploads videos every week. The third point is to upload videos with consistency. The fourth point is to be engaged with your audience. It means replying to your video comments and uploading community posts. So this is the end of the video. The last one is a bonus point. Be unique. Upload unique things, unique videos, etc. All channels upload normal videos. The audience can see those too. So, uploading unique videos that other channels can't upload. This video will surely help you. So like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you want to grow a gaming YouTube channel, click here. See you there. Bye bye.